guys, welcome to our channel, FamMMNY. If you're new, we're glad to have you here. And to our subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. And thank you for watching. For today's video, we're just gonna unbox this beautiful plug that we got from YouTube. It's 100K subscribers. So thank you guys so much to all of you who supported our channel. And we're not gonna make it here without you guys, without your support. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Yes, thank you so much.
By the way, this is our cat,
Sunny.
Sunny.
You guys channel too.
And this is my wife Eileen, as you know. So we're gonna unbox this, but we heard from our sister, she also got her plug, that you need to wear gloves because once the fingerprint sticks to this, it's hard to clean. So we'll put this on, and we're so excited to open this up.
Yeah, good thing we got heads up about it because hers, the fingerprints is not coming off anymore. So.
All right, you wanna put your gloves on?
So excited! And thank you so much for all your support. Without you guys, we're not gonna make it to 100K. So thank you. Muchas gracias.
This is the new plug, and it's a lot smaller and a lot lighter.
But it's okay, still grateful.
So we got this. And we got this. You want to read this?
Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100? Yeah.
Yeah, we do remember that.
We also have the video for the 10K.
Yeah.
3 years ago. Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100K subscriber. Yeah, so there's more to it.
Yeah. Look at this. It's a lot lighter and a lot smaller.
Oh, it's smaller.
So our next goal would be the gold.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
It's kind of long though. Long way. But who knows, you know, there's nothing impossible. I mean.
Look at this, guys. It's very light. Wow, look at that.
Presented to FamMMNY for passing the 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Yay!
Yeah, we made it, guys.
We made it, guys.
Thank you for the support. Without you guys, we're not gonna make this.
Yeah.
We're not gonna be here without you guys.
Thank
and I'm gonna bring it up close.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. We made it. Thank you so much.
There you go.
To FamMMNY.
A little bit farther. There you go.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. So that's one of our achievement in our YouTube channel. But I think there's another achievement that we would also like consider. Or, you know, one of the greatest one is that we got messages from you guys, from our subscribers, our viewers, that telling us that we inspire them, we help them to start their own small business, especially during the pandemic. Yeah, they said that it helped them a lot because some of them lost their job and they started a small business for the balloon. Thank you guys so much again. Without you guys, without your support, without your views, your comments, we can't have this. So we want to thank you all for this. And also to our YouTube sisters, Byola Partyheaven.
Yep, Byola.
Yeah, thank you so much. Shout out to you. Kulay TV. There's many more. They're not all balloon related, but there are YouTube sisters and brothers when we started like 4 years ago. Yeah, 4 years ago. So yeah.
And we'd like to thank you, Risa Lu. She's one of our mentor, yeah.
An amazing beauty. There's more Kegs TV. There's more, guys. But anyways, thank you guys so much. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you to our friends and family. Thank you for supporting our videos and giving us encouragement to just keep going. And of course, most of all, to our Almighty God.
That's right.
Yeah. We give the honor to Him. And honor and glory.
So one of our sponsors on this channel is YouBackUp.com. Thank you so much for working with us.
Yeah, and also we want to say thank you to Rose Morning too.
Oh yeah,
we've been working with them for a year also.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you to everyone that supports our channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.